today I'm going to show you how to set up a perfect budgie cage. Let's get started. Always make sure that your pet's cage is clean. Let your birds play outside while you do the work. Put all the items you want in the cage on the place that you're working at. And then add all the perches, toys, and accessories. Let your pet into the cage. Fill all of the bowls and add them into the cage. Clean and fill all of the water bowls. Your bird should always have a clean water bowl. I hope you enjoyed the video. The next video is about how I train Zizzy and tips to help you train a cockatiel. So stay tuned, hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!